Hello students, I am Manish Mishra. I'm a physics teacher, and in this video I'm just gonna tell you the complete roadmap for AP Physics 1. So basically who this course is for. If you are a beginner in physics or you started learning AP Physics somewhere but still you are confused in some of its concepts. And the most important, if you are really aiming for 5 in the AP Physics, then this course is gonna help you. Now next thing is, what does AP Physics actually test in you? So first, let's just you know remove some misconceptions. Some students think that okay, we will memorize all the formula, and we will be scoring 5. It's not like that. AP Physics is all about concepts. It means you know how to analyze graphs, charts. They used to ask FRQs on daily life problems also. So AP Physics is not about memorizing formula or just learning some definitions. It's like the practical knowledge of the physics. Then next thing is, what are the common mistakes? So just like I already told you that sometimes students think that okay, we will memorize formula, that thing will not work. Sometimes students what they do, they directly jump to the advanced concept. Okay, I will not learn the basics of force and I will jump to the friction. How it's possible? I've seen many students doing that. They just come to me, they ask me, sir, okay, today or tomorrow we have a test of friction, so just teach us friction. And when I ask them the basics of force, they are not able to tell. So this is not how it's work. You have to just go from the basics to the advanced concept. Directly jumping will not help. Third thing, if you are ignoring the diagram or graph, so that thing will not help you. Means graph and diagrams are very important. So if you avoid these mistakes, then you are already ahead of most of the students, right? Now next thing is, what will be the roadmap of our course. So now let me show you how this course moves step by step. First thing, we'll start with kinematics, and let me ensure you that we will start with totally zero, absolute zero. Then we will move to forces and laws of motion. And after forces and laws of motion, it means there will be Newton's laws. Then our next unit will be work, energy, and power. After work, energy, and power, we have momentum, and momentum will be followed by rotation. And in the last, we have oscillations. So these are the topics we need to cover in Physics 1, and in every chapter will follow a structure. What will that structure? The structure will be, first we will learn concepts, and then we will solve numericals over that concepts, and finally we will solve the AP Physics PYQs, previous year questions, which are very important for your scoring 5 in the AP Physics, right? So this order is very important, and at any cost we will never break the sequence, right? You have to follow the sequence. Now how to use this channel means whatever initiative I'm taking, how you can be benefited from my this initiative. So let me tell you how you should study using this channel. First thing, watch videos in order, a particular order you have to follow. That's what I told you earlier also. Never ever jump, just go means you just watch daily, but do not miss anything. Second thing, when I am just solving something, you should pause the video. Sorry, you should pause the video and try yourself. Means physics is not like history or some other subject that you are just watching the video. No, You have to pause it, try it, then if you are not able to get it, then see how I'm doing it. This thing will help you to score 5 in AP. And at the end, you have to join my WhatsApp and Telegram channel, where I will be posting regular problems, regular PYQs, and the PDF of this lecture. So that will be very, very helpful. And there, with other students, you will be like a part of community, and you can grow with them also, right? So this thing will be very helpful. Whatever doubts you have, you just message me. You can comment me. So we will discuss them. Now, there is means the point is that physics is not kind of a typical subject. Physics is like you must be able to think how to apply the concepts. So, what will be in our next video? So, in next video, just like I already told you, in the next video we will start on kinematics basic. Okay, kinematics will start from the scratch, from zero. We'll start our kinematics, and even if you feel weak in mathematics, no need to worry. Wherever we'll use maths concepts, I will explain everything step by step, right? So if you are starting AP Physics with me, subscribe to this channel and comment AP Physics. In the comment section, simply write AP Physics and make sure you join the WhatsApp channel. Link is given, Telegram channel. At least one of them you must join. So this will be very helpful. We'll build I just wanted to make a community of serious students who want to learn with me and who really want to score 5 in the AP. So let's begin with this journey properly, students. See you in the next video. Thank you.